To get a WordPress API key, follow these steps. Create or log into your WordPress account. Ensure you have a WordPress account. If you don't, create one at wordpress.com. Navigate to your account settings. Log into your WordPress dashboard, then go to Account Settings. Enable the WordPress REST API. WordPress comes with the REST API enabled by default, so you don't need to install any additional plugins. It's a part of the WordPress core. Generate API credentials. If you need a more secure way to authenticate API requests, WordPress allows generating application passwords. To do this, go to User's Profile in your WordPress dashboard. Scroll down to the Application Password section. Enter a name for your new application password and click Add New Application Password. Copy the generated password as it is your API key. Use the API key. With the application password, you can authenticate API requests by including it in the authorization header as a basic authentication token. Start making API calls. You can now use the WordPress REST API with your API key to access and manipulate your WordPress data.